Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. Today, I'm going to be helping you learn how to save your Instagram post on your phone gallery. Whenever you upload a post on Instagram and you like the photo to save automatically on your phone gallery, you'll just need to perform a simple step. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to save your Instagram photos in your gallery, tap open your Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account, and once you are, click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner from your profile, and in the menu that appears at the bottom of the screen, tap on Settings. Under the Settings menu, tap on Account and go and find a button that says Original Posts. Tap it on, and under Original Posts, click on the Save Posted Photo toggle and make sure it's turned on. If you would like to save videos as well, enable the other button right next to Save Posted Videos. Now, you can go back. Starting from now, every photos or videos that you upload on Instagram as a post will be downloaded on your phone library. In your phone gallery, you'll be able to find a separate album with the name Instagram labeled to it. That is how you can easily save your Instagram photos in your phone gallery. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.